In the quiet moments of everyday life, a subtle dance unfolds where clothes on a laundry line sway to the rhythm of the wind. This poem, Whispers on the Laundry Line, captures the gentle movement and stories that these clothes tell. With each stanza, the reader is invited to step into the intimate world of the laundry line, where the mundane becomes a symphony of emotions. Whispers on the laundry line. On the line, they sway and spin, a choreographed dance where fabrics blend within. The wind's gentle touch, a conductor's wave, directs the rhythm of this everyday escape. The shirts, like soldiers, stand at attention tall, their sleeves a great rustle as the breeze recalls. The dresses, like ballerinas, twirl and sway, their hems a soft whisper as the wind's gentle play. The socks, like pairs of friends, mingled in delight, their colors a vibrant splash in the morning's golden light. The towels, like giants, stretch and yawn, their texture a tactile treat that the wind's gentle dawn. The line, a stage where clothes perform their part, a choreographed ballet where fabrics play and start. The wind, a gentle partner, guides and sways as the clothes, like dancers, move to the rhythm of the day. In the dance of clothes, I see a story unfold of lives lived and moments told. The clothes, like memories, hold the past, and in their fabric, the tale is forever cast. The laundry line, a thread that weaves and binds, the clothes like fragments of a life's design. The wind, a gentle weaver, threads and spins, as the clothes, like a kaleidoscope, reveal their hidden winds. In the sway of clothes, I hear a gentle song, a melody where fabric and wind belong. The rhythm, a heartbeat that pulses and thrums, as the clothes, like the symphony, play their gentle hums. So let the clothes on the line sway and play their dance, a celebration of every day. For in their gentle movement I see a beauty rare, a symphony of emotions that only the wind can share.